How can you record yourself using both the selfie camera and the main camera at the same time, even if you don't have the newest iPhone? In this review, I'll talk about an app that records from two cameras simultaneously. This is perfect for shooting vlogs, travel videos and other content where you want to show both yourself and your surroundings. The app even has a teleprompter and many other useful features. So let's take a look at how it works. First, we can switch the cameras. You can make the selfie camera full screen or keep it in a small window in the corner. By pressing this button, you can also choose the shape of the selfie window. For example, a square, rectangle or circle. You can also split the screen into several parts and assign more or less space to each camera. If you press the arrows, you can choose the position of the window, in the left corner, the right corner or in the center of the screen. As you can see, when it comes to camera display settings, this app is much more advanced than the dual capture mode on newer iPhones, which only allows you to change the camera position. If we tap the microphone option, we can choose the audio source, the built-in iPhone microphone, or an external microphone if one is connected to your phone. Of course, there is a record button, and during recording you can even take photos if needed. We can also switch between the rear cameras, currently it's 1x, then you can switch to 2x or ultra-wide-angle lens. By pressing this button, you can choose the resolution and frame rate separately for the rear and selfie cameras, and also switch stabilization modes. By the way, I noticed that the stabilization in the standard mode doesn't work very well, the image still shakes while walking. I think this happens because the app records from both the selfie and rear cameras at the same time, so some kind of stabilization, either electronic or optical, might be disabled, as I see more shaking than when shooting with the built-in camera app. Therefore, if you want to use this app while walking, it's better to use a separate electronic stabilizer. Now let's open the shooting settings. This option allows us to enable saving a composite video. That means the selfie camera and the rear camera will be combined into one video file. If we disable this option and instead enable saving the rear camera and the front camera separately, we will get two separate video files, one from the selfie camera and one from the rear camera, and then during editing you can combine them exactly the way you want. We can also mirror the selfie camera horizontally. Next comes the teleprompter feature. If you go back to the main screen, we will see text that you can read during recording. To change it, simply tap on it and paste your own text. This is useful if you want to record video and speak your script at the same time. The only issue with this teleprompter is that it doesn't have automatic scrolling, so during recording you will have to move the text on the screen yourself, which can be inconvenient if the text is long. Therefore, this feature is more suitable for recording short videos or as an intro to a longer video. Watch the next episode if you want to learn how to shoot professional videos on your smartphone and get more views and subscribers. As always, go ahead and create. See you soon.